Hello everyone. Today we will start lesson 3 in concept 2, term 2 in grade 5. Lesson 3, activity number 7, watershed predictions. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, the area of land where all the water flows in one direction to a common location, such as an ocean, a sea, or other large water body is called.
Watershed.
Excellent, very good. Number 2, human activities cause space of water that leads to drought in some places and flooding in some other places.
ميس هو ميس يعني ايه ميس بالانس وامبالانس.
Balance that mean beautiful thing, something equals something. Imbalance, something doesn't equal something or something bad. We make human activities that make,
Imbalance.
yes, exactly.
Miss, what is the meaning of predictions?
Prediction, like something in future, you can imagine something in the future.
Okay.
A watershed can help scientists understand how the water bodies in an area interact with one another. Again, watershed can help scientists to understand how the water bodies like what? Like river.
Water bodies like ocean, seas, streams, ponds, lakes,
Yes,
rivers.
excellent. Sources of water in an area interact with one another. Now we will study some human activities that take place in some water bodies as tributaries and affect people, plants and animals that live near or in these tributaries. Now we will study some human activities that take place in some water bodies as tributaries and affect people. Number one, this number one. Okay. Number two, plants and animals that live near or in these tributaries. This is number two. Number one, what is the definition of tributaries? What's the definition of this word? The definition of this word is they are small water bodies, such as small creeks or streams that flow into bigger rivers. Again, look at this picture. This picture is clear or not?
Where's
This is small water.
yes.
This small water like this. Small water. This small water bodies, such as small creeks, like branch creeks. The equal of meaning branch. Do you know branch?
Yes.
Yeah. Or streams that flow into bigger rivers. Flow into bigger rivers. Where the bigger rivers? These bigger rivers. Where tributaries. This again. The definition of tributaries. Can you see? Can you read the definition of tributaries again?
Yes. Tributaries, they are small water bodies, such as small creeks or streams that flow into bigger rivers.
Excellent, very good.
Thank
As
you.
you have studied before, that water bodies are connected with each other, we can conclude that tributaries as small creeks or streams flow into bigger rivers, and these bigger rivers flow into larger water bodies as bays, seas, and oceans. What the meaning of bays?
Bias خلجان.
Like the same meaning of gulfs. Do you remember gulfs? tributaries as small creeks or streams flow into bigger rivers, flow into larger water bodies as bays, seas, and ocean. You are you understand this words and this part?
Yes.
Okay. What happens upstream in a watershed affects the water bodies downstream. Again, what happens upstream? Upstream in watershed affects the water bodies downstream.
Miss, I know.
Okay. Notes. What's the meaning of upstream and what's the meaning of downstream? When we say upstream, is the place where a river starts. A river starts. We say it before in uh, start in a higher place in
And
mountain.
into lower.
Yes, exactly. Downstream is the place where a river ends.
Okay.
We are going to use the following figure that represents a watershed map to show how water bodies will be affected by some human activities that occur nearer to upstream and downstream. Example, number one, if a factory is built near a tributary at area A, where area A? This area A. Now we build a factory here.
Yes.
The factory waste will affect the tributary at area A. This factory make a waste and throw this waste in a river or in a tributary area. Number two, water in tributary at area A carries the factory waste to other water bodies connected to it, causing water pollution. Number two, if a dam is built across a tributary at area B, where area B? It is area B. Now we will build a high dam. The dam will hold the water behind it. Behind it, this holds the water behind it. And this causes a change in the amount of water in other water bodies connected to this tributary.
Okay.
Number three, if there is a farm using chemical fertilizer near a tributary at area C, where area C? This area C. Now, this a farm, and we should make a chemical fertilizers. What the meaning of chemical fertilizers? It is a chemical substance.
Chemical
Yeah,
fertilizers. It is the chemical things.
that farmer use it to make this
The
farm.
soil fertility.
Yes, near tributary at area C. This area C. The water in tributary at area C carries the farm waste that leak to other water bodies connected to it, causing water pollution. Number four, if a trash dump is established near a tributary at area D, this area D, trash dam, trash dam. What the meaning of
Miss,
trash
what
dam?
is the meaning of the trash dam?
Trash dam ممكن مجمع النفايات. It
Okay.
is area which collect some of garbage or some of rubbish. Okay, trash is the same meaning of rubbish or
Garbage.
anything waste or waste things from farm or from human activities. Established, the same meaning of built near a tributary at area D. The litter of a trash dam will be blown into the water of tributary at D. On windy days, the water in dry battery at area D carries the litter into other water bodies connected to it, causing water pollution. Now we should answer the question. Number one, but true or false? The human activities that take place in water cannot affect people, plants, and animals that live near or in water streams. True or
false.
false?
هي المفروض يا ميس تبقى كام؟
Yes.
Small
Number
water bodies such as creeks or streams that flow into bigger rivers are called
tributaries.
tributaries. True.
Number three,
This is
downstream.
the definition.
Huh?
Downstream is the place where a river ends. True.
Excellent. Very good. Very good.
We finished the lesson.
Yes. Now,
Can we do the give reason and what happened?
okay, be sure. Yes, sure. Farms near tributaries may cause water pollution.
Because the waste from the farm
If there is a farm using chemical fertilizers near a tributary at area C, the farm waste will affect the tributary at area C. When we say give reason farm waste will affect, you should answer because this farm using chemical A fertilizers. طيب وكمان the water in tributary at area C carries the farm waste because farm waste. Now when we want to answer the question, you should type or would you should say because the farm waste take leak to other water bodies. This is a point, okay, connected to it causing water pollution. Again, because the farm waste that leak to other water bodies connected to it causing water pollution. Can you read this answer again?
Okay. The farm that leak to other water bodies connected to it causing water pollution. Miss,
Yeah.
I write because farm using chemical
Fertilizer. Fertilizer.
It is a true answer or not?
A true answer, but يعني if you wanted to type the smallest one, the smart answer, you should type the farm waste that leak to other water bodies connected to it,
Okay.
causing water pollution.
Okay.
يعني بمعنى صح هتكتب ايه؟ because the farm waste leak
to other waste water bodies connected to it causing water pollution.
excellent, very good.
Thank you.
What happens if a trash dump is established near a tributary that is connected with a river? What happens?
The water pollution.
We can answer another question, okay?
Okay.
Right, choose the correct answer. Dry battery usually ends by the following of its water into bigger.
River.
Correct. Number two, the core is a correct flowing of water bodies that are connected with other is
Turbines, bigger rivers, oceans.
not turbines, tributaries.
Tributaries.
Bigger river, tributaries, ocean. No, tributaries, bigger river, ocean. Letter one, which letter? A or P or C or D?
A B.
D? D?
No, B.
B. Yes,
Yes.
exactly. Good job, good job. Number three. All the following reasons cause water pollution in river except
Um,
litter of nearby trash dump, waste of nearby factory, chemical fertilizer of nearby farm, building a dam across the river.
building a dam across the river.
Excellent, very good. Number four, which of the following can pollute the water of tributary by the effect of wind blowing?
1 minute. Liquid waste materials of factories.
Which of the following can pollute the water?
لا ثانية واحدة يا ميس ثانية واحدة. Which of the following لا light litter of trash dam.
Light litter of trash dam, liquid waste material of factories, water that flows
easy.
through dam, sediments in the water, river, no.
C.
Light litter of trash.
Yes, because when a wind it come, it will.
Correct, correct. But true or false? Number one, the water of tributaries flow directly into seas and ocean.
False.
Number two, upstream is the place where a river starts.
True.
Waste product from factories. Waste produced from factories that are built near watershed can affect the quality of water in downstream.
True.
Yes. Number four, dam can hold the water behind it, which causes a change in the amount of water in water body.
True.
Write the scientific term of each of the following. Number one, they are small water bodies, such as small creeks or streams that flow into bigger rivers.
Three batteries.
Yes.
A building.
A building established
Dam.
across a river which can hold water. Yes, dam. Complete the following sentences using the words below. Number one, terrae batteries are considered as small knots or space that flow into bigger.
Creeks or bays.
Small bays or
Creeks.
creeks.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Into bigger rivers than into large water bodies as
Seas.
hmm,
Seas and streams.
are you sure?
Yes.
Number two, a farm that is found near a tributary may cause pollution to the water body if this farm is using
chemical filters.
fertilizer. Fertilizer.
Yes.
Number 3, building space across.
Dams.
Excellent, very good. إن شاء الله.
Thank you.
فتح الله عليك. إن شاء الله. يلا كده number 7, look at the opposite watershed map that shows a river and its turbines, then choose the correct answer. Number 1, if there is a factory built near area A, water in area will be polluted due to factory waste.
Water in area. 1 minute. A and B we C
And D.
and D.
Yes. Number 2, if a space is built near area C, the amount of water in other area will change.
Dam. The dam.
Factory or trash dam, farm.
Dam.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Number 3, if there is space at area A, floods may happen in the other area.
More rainfall.
In area A, we have factor, okay?
Yes.
This factor throw or leak the waste in dry batteries. Here, if there is space at area A, floods may happen in the other area. There is what? This rainfall, more rainfall, drought, wind blowing. You choose more rainfall?
Yes.
Excellent, very good. Number 4, the type of water which is found in area A, B, C is fresh water, salt water, frozen water, mixed water.
Fresh.
Why? Why you should say that?
Because a turbine it transfers the water into the river, and the water of rivers is fresh water.
Do you remember the definition of tributaries?
Yes.
What's the definition of tributaries?
They are small water bodies such as small creeks or streams that flow into a bigger rivers.
Yes. When we say bigger rivers, it shows the fresh water. Yes, excellent. Thank you very much. I hope you are enjoy with my session now, and inshallah next session we will complete lesson number
4.
Number 1. Complete the following sentences using the words below. Number 1. River and streams contain space water, which represent about
fresh water represent about 3.5 of the total amount of water on Earth. Number 2, the place where rivers end is called downstream. Number 3, oceans and seas contain salt water, which represent 96.5 of the total amount of water on Earth. Give a reason for the following. Dams affect the amount of water in some water bodies as rivers. It affects ثانية واحدة. The dams affect the water is change the amount of water.
Dams affect the amount of water in some water bodies as river. Give reason. Dams affect the amount of water in some water bodies as river. Why? Because dam what? Because dam
Because
has water
dam
behind it. Yes.
because dam the water behind it changed in amount of water.
But true or false? All living organisms need water to survive.
True.
Number 2, in a watershed, what happens upstream can affect the water bodies downstream.
1 minute. True.
3, opening water tap for a long time during cleaning, cooking pots is from the ways of water conservation.
False.
What happens if a factory is built near a tributary that is connected with a river?
It will pollute the river and make water pollution.
Look at this following pictures, but true or false?
Okay.
Number 1, the type of water that is found in all picture is fresh water only.
The is true or false?
Yes. False.
1
Number
minute.
2,
Best.
number 2, the correct
False.
flow. Read
The
number 2.
correct flow of water in the previous picture is water in picture C flow into picture A, then flow into picture B. 1 minute best.
Number 3, the type of
false يا ميس. تبقى false ولا true؟
true. Start with C,
Okay.
then A, then B, at the end B. True. Number 3, the type
Okay.
of water that is found in picture B represents 3.5.
True.
No.
Sorry. No,
False.
false.
False. Number 4, the water body in picture C is considered as type of tributaries.
True.
Excellent, very good. Thank you very much.